give body. I mean, who else? Who not? You.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in between. I am back for another video, and this time it's something different. It is my first or second fitness and what I eat in a day vlog. You've been here before, you already know me. Usually I do wig content and some vlogs, but I also wanted to get into fitness and nutrition-esque because I feel like I have something to offer, girl, because I have a lot going on down here and down here. 35 years old, I've been working out consistently for 11 years. I have gastrointestinal issues. I have a gluten sensitivity. I don't eat beef or dairy because I'm allergic to dairy. So there's so much that I cannot eat, but I still need to make sure I get all the nutritional benefits from the foods that I eat. So when I do work out, I get the best results, you know, because I'm trying to build, you know what I'm saying? I've been trying to give body. I mean, who else, who not? You know, in this video, I'm gonna get into what I eat before I work out and after I work out, just to get the best results, fuel my body with protein and fuel my body with energy, and make sure I still enjoy my food. And I'm gonna show you my quick 25-minute workout that works for me and my body type. I want hips so bad. If you wanna get into everything that I eat and a quick little feasible 25-minute workout routine, please keep on watching. Okay, now let's get into our breakfast, our pre-workout breakfast. So what I start out with is a strawberry protein shake. Girl, don't mind my home outfit, girl. I don't know why I look like I'm about to go skating. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gathering all the ingredients for my strawberry protein smoothie. This is a plant-based, gluten-free protein smoothie. So usually I take some bananas. My husband cuts up bananas and puts them off to the side in the morning. And we also take some frozen strawberries and one soft strawberry because I don't like my stuff too icy. Take some Ripple protein. What do you call it? It's like a Ripple protein milk. It's plant-based, and the 365 Whole Foods protein powder. It has no sugar, but since it has no sugar, I'm going to use the Trader Joe's stevia. It sweetens it up with 4 drops, add a little bit of salt to bring out some of that flavor, and then I'll just blend that up and get that all mixed up together, get them flavors going. And baby, when I tell you it tastes like a milkshake to me, it tastes like a milkshake to me. That was a mess. That blender, we need to get a new one. So we're gonna go ahead and pour in the strawberry milkshake. That's what I'm gonna call it. It's a strawberry milkshake, the faux strawberry milkshake or protein shake. Add a little strawberry for cuteness. Girl, I don't do this on a regular day. I just did it for this video, but it was cute, don't you think? I wish the stem was on there though. But that's the strawberry shake. I also like to add a carb. I'll use some gluten-free bread from, what is it called? I'll leave it down below. It's gluten-free bread with some vegan cheese. I like to use the Daya Mexican cheese. Now, all I had was the butter to bread, so I had to make something work, make it shake. But typically, I would use a regular piece of bread. Okay, not the one that's struggling. And while that's toasting up, I also will get my energy tea going, which is cinnamon tea with some Ripple protein as a creamer. I kind of burnt the toast because I was doing too much, but it still was good to me. I like a little bit of burnt, don't you? Don't we all? My husband was headed to the gym, and while he was doing that, heading out, I'm gonna go ahead and start planning my workouts. I'll use my planner and write out all of my workouts before I head out while I drink my tea. I'll get all those liquids in, but I add one more liquid. So we're gonna go ahead and get into what else I drink to get the digestion going, and then we will be back. It's time to get our digestion together. I don't know if you know, I talk about this almost in every single one of my vlogs. I have tummy issues. My stomach usually gives me problems with digesting food, certain cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, kale, all that type of stuff. And I'm not able to get the nutrients I need because of my digestion, girl. And I just went to the doctor and I was diagnosed with GERD. So that's fun. I was able to find a new supplement. Y'all know I love this brand. Bellway always comes through with the good digestive supplements for the girls like me that need a little bit of extra help in the digestive department. Girl, I can't get the veggies I need, but I can get them in a drink. So let me show you. I'd like to say thank you to Bellway for sponsoring this portion of this vlog. They have a brand new Super Fiber Plus Green supplement that you can use daily to get the digestion together. Each scoop provides you with 1 serving of veggies plus 5 grams of fiber. And we all need fiber. I don't know what it is about 35 or being in your 30s. I be looking for fiber. This is what I do. I like to place my powder into 16 ounces of water, into a bottle of water, shake it up. I drink it down, and that's it. The Super Fiber Plus Greens contains the green vegetables that you need in your diet to keep you healthy. So it includes kale, broccoli, spinach, and all that extra fiber through psyllium husk. Y'all know I like to say psyllium husk. And the psyllium husk helps to slide through and smoothly move through your digestive tract without being uncomfortable. It does keep me fuller longer. So if you are a person that likes to eat, girl, be prepared. I don't have to worry about myself getting hungry within the next couple hours because my appetite, especially during that time of the month, girl, you can't control it. I can eat anything, girl. Don't sit next to me. I may bite your arm. The second one that I've been trying, and this one tastes really good. Now, this one tastes a little bit more green. This one tastes like a fruity water. So this one is the Bellway Super Fiber Plus Fruit. It contains psyllium husk as well. It moves well through your digestive tract, and it adds immunity support, which is perfect for this time of year because y'all know when it's cold, the girls be out there, you know what I'm saying? You gotta love each one of these products. I'll leave links for them down below. You can go onto their website and get a bundle. So you can try out different types, you can try different flavors. You can get 3 to 6 different tubs and you can save some money. Click the link down in the description box below for 25% off your Bellway order. Take it from me, I truly do love these products and I spend my own money on this. But today she's sponsored. I want to say thank you again to Bellway for providing these products to me and sponsoring this video and get my digestion together. Now let's go ahead and get into the workout. Now for my workouts, I love to do like a treadmill workout to get my heart going and to activate the glutes. So I'll start off on the treadmill on an incline. I love doing incline workouts because it engages the glutes. I'll start off with a 30-second sprint. And then I'll go into, what are those, crab walks on an incline. And then I'll do jump squats on an incline. It really engages the glutes, gets the heart rate up. So if you're doing any glute workouts after that, it works it out. I also like to engage my hips by doing this workout. I don't know what it's called. I've seen it on Instagram before, so I started doing it. And it really does a great job of engaging those hip muscles, those hip abductors. I make sure I keep my booty band on while I'm doing these workouts. I'm gonna do kettlebell squats and girl, get distracted on my phone because I didn't feel like working out. Gotta be honest with you. Do a little ab workout and that's it. It took me 25 minutes. I do 3 sets of all of those workouts on the treadmill. And then it's time to eat my post-workout meal, which is typically something high protein with some carbs. It's really important for me to have both. So I'll take some more earth balance plant-based butter, that same gluten-free bread, and this Follow Your Heart smoked Gouda cheese. Oh my God, it's so good. If you're trying to find a good cheese, it's really good to try. So I'm gonna go ahead and toast that up, let the cheese melt, and we're gonna make some tuna. Now I love chunk light tuna because I think it's less mercury in it. I don't know. I be hearing stuff and then I believe it. So y'all let me know if that's true. I'll go ahead and toss in some of the tuna, and you know you gotta season your tuna. So I'll use onion powder, a lot of black pepper. Like I pour that thing in there. I love black pepper. I'll add some diced bell peppers for the crunch. And I also will add my vegan dressing, well, vegan mayonnaise. You can use regular mayonnaise, but I try not to have too much cholesterol because I actually like mayonnaise. I like to use some sweet relish and some mustard. Do you put mustard in yours? I love mustard in mine. I never tried bell peppers in my tuna, but ma'am, oh my God. That crunch, I need a crunch. I need a crunch in my tuna. So I'll add a little bit more mayonnaise. Y'all see why I don't do regular mayonnaise? Because girl, I'll go ahead and spread the tuna all over the bread. Get a good amount on there. You can see that cheese melted really well. Vegan cheese don't really melt well. It's weird. And we're just gonna go ahead and slice it in half. I want to slice it and make it look cute. Kind of stack it up like they do at the restaurants. But baby, once I tried it, it was delicious. That's really good. Okay, y'all, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I want to do more of these. Y'all tell me what you think about doing these sort of videos because this is a huge part of my life. I want to get more into that type of stuff. So y'all let me know if you are interested in having more fitness-esque, what do you call it? But lifestyle sort of videos. Y'all let me know down below because I do get a couple of questions sometimes. So I want to thank you all so much for watching. I would love your feedback down below. Like I said, thank you again to Bellway again for sponsoring a portion of this video. They get your girl together. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.